Now, VinFast, it's a new car maker that has set up shop in India. Now, it's a Vietnamese brand, but आप क्या जानना चाहते हैं? आप जानना चाहते हैं कि VinFast की गाड़ियाँ कैसी हैं? VinFast पे अगर आप जाएंगे तो डीलरशिप पे एक्सपीरियंस कैसा होने वाला है? एंड यही सारे सवालों के जवाब ढूंढने के लिए we've come here in Sector 48 Gurugram at the VinFast dealership to find out what the experience right from entering the dealership to going for a test drive and finalizing that buying decision is going to be like. Hi, so I'm interested in looking at a VinFast car.
Okay, which model, sir?
I think the VF7, isn't that the faster one?
Yes, sir. VF7 से 5 वेरिएंट्स आते हैं सर VF7 में.
Okay.
ये बेस मॉडल रहेगा VF7 का.
All right.
So can you provide you some details, sir?
Yeah,
So,
sure.
Good name.
Dhruv.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your contact number?
Yeah, 99531.
Thank you. And कुछ exchange हुआ है? Yes,
No,
sir.
nothing.
Okay, sir. Please give me 2 minutes, sir.
Okay. So well, I've just entered the VinFast dealership. मेरे से मेरा नाम, नंबर वगैरह पूछा गया है. I've been asked what model I'm interested in, and it's this one, the VF7. And now the salesperson is going to come over here and he's going to give me a little bit more information about the car. So I'm looking at the VF7. Can you tell me a little bit more about this car?
Sure. This is a pure mid-size SUV car.
Okay.
It's an electric car, and we have 3 basic options in this car. One is 60 kilowatt and one is 70 kilowatt. And 3 kilometer ranges we have.
What is the range like?
437 kilometer, 532 kilometer, and 510 kilometer.
Okay, I've heard this is the fast one, that this is the sporty one, which someone who likes to drive fast, they go for this model. So, can you help me with a test drive of this vehicle?
Sure, sir, I can.
Please help me arrange that. Cool, okay. Thank you. तो आपको VF6, VF7 की अगर बात करूं तो किस टाइप का रिस्पांस, किस टाइप की गाड़ी के लिए रिस्पांस आपको ज़्यादा देखने को मिला है?
रिस्पॉन्स दोनों का ही ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल है सर. VF7 का थोड़ा ज़्यादा हमें मिला है बिकॉज इसमें स्पेस ज़्यादा मिल जाता है हमें.
ओके.
एंड जिस सेगमेंट में ये गाड़ी आती है उस सेगमेंट में कोई और गाड़ी इतने स्पेस के साथ, इतनी पावर के साथ कोई और गाड़ी डिलीवर नहीं होती है.
ओके.
एंड गाड़ी की बिल्ड क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी है.
सो जनरली जैसे आपने मुझे बताया कि आप लोगों का एक शॉर्ट लूप होता है, एक लॉन्ग लूप होता है टेस्ट ड्राइव के लिए, तो किस टाइप की टेस्ट ड्राइव, छोटी बड़ी कैसी टेस्ट ड्राइव लेना, कस्टमर्स को कितना टाइम लगता है इस नई गाड़ी को एडजस्ट करने में?
डिपेंड करता है सर. इफ अगर आपको पावर टेस्ट करनी है, आपकी यूटिलिटी सिर्फ गाड़ी को फील करना है, देन आप एक छोटी टेस्ट ड्राइव में भी वो फील कर सकते हैं. बट अगर आपको पावर फील करनी है गाड़ी की, तो आपको एक लंबी टेस्ट ड्राइव करनी होगी. तो उसके लिए भी हमारे पास रूट है, अराउंड 15 to 20 किलोमीटर का रूट है. तो हम वहाँ पे आपको पावर टेस्ट करा सकते हैं. आप अच्छे से लुक एंड फील भी कर सकते हैं, गाड़ी को भी पावर टेस्ट हो जाएगी.
The test drive was nice. मेरे को थोड़े से ब्रोशर दिखा देंगे? I want to see the look at the colors and the specs and things like that.
Sure. Before that, can I get a coffee, sir?
Yes, a coffee would be nice. There, I'm done with my coffee. I've had a look at the brochure, at all the specs, but my visit of the VinFast dealership is not yet over because I have something important to show you, something we do not really see at other dealerships. Now, when you're coming to choose a car for yourself, जब आप अपने लिए गाड़ी पिक करने आते हैं, अक्सर आप अपनी फैमिली, अपने बच्चों के साथ भी आते हैं. And the kids, they just want to have fun. अब होता क्या है कि आप तो गाड़ी पे अपनी नज़र बनाए होते हैं, but the kids, they are running around everywhere and you're not able to get a proper look at the car. VinFast does not want you to have that problem, and that is why they've got this over here, a designated area for your kids to play. Now, if you come with your kids to the dealership, you can leave them over here. You can still see them around, and there'll be a designated person as well who will be here taking care of them. Now, from a playing area for your kids to accessories that will help keep your kids safe in the car, like the child seat behind me, the VinFast dealership also offers a lot of accessories for your new VinFast car. So we've got Gaurav here with us. Now he's going to quickly give us a look at the accessories that we have on display over here and what's more to come. Gaurav, can you just tell us about the accessories that you have and what do you offer to the customers?
We have a child seat options. Our both models are Isofix oriented. Their back seats we can install them, and these are the floor mats both for VF6 and VF7, and we also have cushion sets. This is the backrest, backcushion, and this is for the thigh support option. We also have some teddies for the kids, and also we have the trunk mats.
So you've got the same set of mats for the VF6 and the VF7. They
Exactly.
work for the same car?
Both are same.
That's pretty good. So that was a quick look at the accessories on offer at the VinFast dealership, but the visit is not yet over. Well, you've come into the VinFast dealership. आपने अपनी पसंद का मॉडल भी देख लिया है यहाँ पे, आपको उसकी टेस्ट ड्राइव भी मिल गई है. You've sipped your coffee and also had a look at the accessories that are on offer. Now it's time to make that buying decision. And where does that happen? In the room behind me. Now you've seen the waiting area outside, it looks good enough by itself, but there's a separate room right here. अब ये room किस लिए है? Well, जब अपनी गाड़ी का final paperwork करके delivery लेने आएंगे, this is the room you will be seated in. यहाँ पे आपके साथ dealership के जो लोग हैं, they will do all the final formalities. Now this room is well equipped, feels really premium. There's a nice sofa here. There's a TV. If you're going to be waiting for some time, you can watch something that you like. And more than that, I think this is a place where you can sit with your family in anticipation of your new car, you know, have those giggles, those laughs, wait kar sakte hain. It's a big moment for so many families who are buying a new car. And lastly, I also love the fact that this is a private space. When you're doing your paperwork or when you're talking to your family, you have that level of privacy जो generally आमतौर पे dealerships पे देखने को नहीं मिलती है. So I think it's a neat touch by VinFast that they've given you this room of your own before you get out of here and drive away in a car of your own. So summarizing my experience of the VinFast dealership, मैं यहाँ पे कहूँगा, the moment you step in, you're greeted very cordially. You explained your options really well. Test drive भी काफ़ी immersive feel होती है. उसके बाद hospitality fantastic है. And जब आपको वो buying decision करना होता है, आपको आपकी space भी दी जाती है. Ultimately, I think I have to say this. गाड़ी तो आप मास मार्केट सेगमेंट की खरीद रहे हैं, लेकिन जो एक्सपीरियंस है खरीदने का वो डेफिनेटली काफ़ी प्रीमियम फील होता है.